sign you may be suffering from hypothermia. Garrett joining us now with more about this forecast on this weather alert day. And just in the last hour or so, really visibility has dropped off a lot in some areas, and this throughout the entire area actually.
Yeah, this next wave of snow that's moving through has dropped visibility. It's also dropped a lot more snowfall. Let's take a look at what happens next. So for tonight, blowing snow with low visibility, travel is discouraged. If you're going to be out, make sure you've got some blankets in the car and some snacks in case you get stuck on the side of the road until this thing moves on through. Right now, this is a live look with the RDOT cam out towards Fayetteville. You can see Washington Regional there at the center of the screen at low visibility, blowing snow all over the place. This will look in Springdale. With the heavier bands of the snow, you'll see more blowing snow than you will in some spots compared to others. So it really depends on where you are. For instance, right here, the Choctaw, I-Cam and Pensacola, look at all this stuff that's blowing around everywhere here in the River Valley with that band of snow that's moving through. Now, we have winter storm warnings here at home, but we've got winter storm warnings all over the place. They have snow falling in southwest Texas. Are you kidding me? And it stretches all the way up to Cincinnati, up to New York. I mean, this is a large winter storm encompassing most of the United States. Many of you have sent in pictures with our 5 News app. This from Springdale. Now, there's a pond out there that's frozen. Don't let the kiddos get on it. That ice is super duper thin. They may be tempted tomorrow if they go out and about. Don't let them do it. It's very cold, and that ice, it's not really thick enough to support any weight. The roads aren't clear enough, especially on mountain roads like around the ozone, to support vehicles. This is from Chris from earlier in the day. You can send us your pictures as well by downloading the 5 News app and clicking on that Near Me feature. All those pictures come right in here to the Storm Center and the newsroom. Here's a look at the satellite and radar, but really want to focus in on these heavy bands of snow that are moving through. That's the band that moved through Fayetteville. It's up around Eureka Springs and Berryville now. You can see how these bands are on and off through the overnight, and this is why snow totals will vary from one location to the next. If you get a big heavy band, you get more snow. If you don't, you don't. Right now, that band of snow in Fort Smith is about to move through, and that's why that I-Cam out around Pensacola had such low visibility. We have more of that snowfall to the west that'll continue to work its way into the area through at least 2 or 3 a.m., and then we'll catch a small break with more snow around Dallas that's going to push through during the first part of the day. I took off the winter weather layer just to show you some of these bands. It makes a little bit more sense when you look at it like this. You can see a streak right through here. Fort Smith really getting some heavy snow now. And in northwest Arkansas, that streak of snow from Winslow up through Huntsville. Got another one around Berryville. You have more around Westville that's headed into Bentonville and Rogers. This Fort Smith area is going to go right through Alma and Van Buren, dropping quite a bit of snow. Not only that, but we have these wind chills. Wind chill warnings are in effect tonight and tomorrow with wind chill values as low as -25. Right now, our temperature in Bentonville is 1. Our temperature in Fort Smith is 12. The north winds are going about 12 miles an hour, driving the wind chill down to, yes, -15 right now in Bentonville. Feels like -10 in Fayetteville and -2 in Fort Smith. That's not going to change going into Monday. In fact, Monday's temperatures, the wind chill is going to be down to about -23 and 21 for Bentonville and Fayetteville. We'll be down to -14 in the Fort Smith area. Very cold Monday coming up for most of the day. Our current temperatures regionally, it's about 5 in Fayetteville, 12 in Fort Smith, but look to the north, Kansas City at -4, about -5 in Wichita. You can really see the extent of that cold air. This is the winter system that's moving through now. You can see it in the jet stream. That's what let all that cold air pour in from the north. This guy here, this atmosphere just reloads and sends another one of these our way on Wednesday. So we've got another winter system moving in. This one, though, first, it moves on out, and by Monday morning, most of the snow is going to shut on off. You can see heavier snow around Little Rock in the morning. We should start to hopefully come to a close around mid-morning, hopefully sooner. So now that we've talked about this one, let's look at the next one. Tuesday, catch a nice break. In fact, we'll see some sunshine. Looks great. No, it doesn't. Out west, here comes the next storm system. This is Tuesday at 8 o'clock. This winter storm system will also drop snow on the order of about 3 to 5 inches. At least right now, that's how it looks. It'll change between now and Wednesday, depending on the track. But you can see that heavy snow's in the area during the day Wednesday before tapering off. So, yeah, we have another winter storm system headed our way on Wednesday. After that, we finally get warmer and we get sunnier by Saturday. Rain chances, yes, liquid rain chances coming up on Sunday with highs in the mid-40s. In the River Valley, our temperatures will be equally as cold here for the next couple of nights with, yes, more snow for the River Valley as well. That should taper off early Thursday with the sunny Friday and a nice little thawing period on Saturday.
Now, by this time next week, ought to be really nice.
If it warm
at least, yeah. Maybe a little rain by next Sunday, but you know what? When it's 50s,
50s and rain is going to be a big change from these -14 wind chills and blowing snow.
Yes. Yeah. All right, Garrett, thanks. Before we head to the break, another live look now. The roads in Fayetteville on our Drive 5 camera. RDOT warning drivers again, highways snow covered, much of I-49 around the entire area, and I-40 in the River Valley, snow and ice covered. Talk about the latest conditions after the break.
That lady